Hi hack friends, welcome back. It's nice to virtually be seen by you, I guess. I hope all is well. This week there's only two things that I'm doing. The first is helping with the spring challenge with introducing you to a new app that I found, and it's really great, so I'm excited to highlight that for you. And the next thing is teaching about coding. I'm sure most of you have heard about coding. Some of you might not be super clear to what it is, and then also where you can learn how to code and why coding is important. So I'm going to talk about coding today, and I'm going to introduce you to a few different programs that you can use on either computers, tablets, or phones, with the hopes that you find something you love to do and you can do some fun practice outside of school. First, we're going to talk about the app Seek by iNaturalist. This app is really useful because you can be on your nature walks but not actually know what you're looking at, and this app can solve that problem for you. So downloading this app to your phone while you're on your nature walk, as you can see, you can just use your phone and hold it up to a plant and it will identify it for you. It also does this with trees, insects, and animals. I highly recommend downloading Seek because it's a really useful app and it is completely free. So as promised, we're going to talk about coding, and specifically coding for kids. I'm going to introduce to you what coding is. First, let's talk about what is coding. Coding is the act of writing instructions for computers to make the computer perform a task. It may also be called programming. A finished set of computer instructions is called a program. We've talked about STEM and hack, and believe it or not, computer programming involves science, technology, engineering, and math. Second, let's talk about why coding is important. Every app, game, and software program we use requires a coded program to work. Many of our household appliances and even our cars require a coded program to work. Understanding coding and program are essential skills in life moving forward. Coding can be considered the fourth industrial revolution, and it is starting to boom. There's millions of jobs that are becoming available. Knowing how to code and create programs is going to be an important skill in your future. Thirdly, let's talk about what is code. For a program to work, it must be written in computer language. There are different computer languages designed for different types of computer programs. A computer language converts human-generated instructions into binary code. That is, strings of ones and zeros that tells the computer what to do. Now, I'm going to show you a really great website where you can play lots of games to learn how to begin to code. The first website I'm going to show you is Codeorg. It is a free website with its goal to teach all kids how to code. It even has messages from Bill Gates. It's a really great website. When you click Learn, you can see that there are some resources available while the schools are closed. However, this is always a free resource, so I recommend taking advantage of this site. There's a lot of great resources for our grades, which is kindergarten to grade 5, and for kids who are in grade 6, there's also some options for you to click the next one. So as you can see, there's options if you can't read very well or if you can read, depending your age. There's also some different options for depending how advanced you are. So if you have never tried coding, maybe you want to start with your ages of 4 to 7 or age of 5 to 8. A lot of us are probably going to fall in the 6 to 10 to 7 to 11 category for now, but you can definitely give course E and course F a try if you're more advanced and have done a lot of coding. I'm going to show you course C for today. As you can see, there's lots of different things you can do. If you just click try now, it's going to bring you right to the course. So let's begin. Our goal is to try to get the angry bird to knock down the pig by running our program using a set of code. So you can see I'm telling the computer to move forward. Boom, we got him. So the first one's been completed, 2 lines of code. We're going to try another one. So this time, again, you can't see him because he's just off the screen, but he's trying to move forward to knock that pig over. This time we need him to move forward 3 squares. And there we go. As we progress, this gets more and more complicated, and it will slowly progress you to writing lines and lines and lines of code. If you click the Express course, I want to show you how many amazing lessons there are. So there's lots of warm-ups, then you can move into sequencing. These are all different parts of coding. Moving into loops, moving into conditionals, functions, and lastly, variables. So if you click Get Started, you can start today. Two other programs I wanted to highlight was Hopscotch, because I know you did it in the summer program, and that's great for iPhones and iPads, and those are free. But if you don't have an iPhone or iPad or an Apple system, you can use coding games for kids to play, and this works on Android systems. So I hope you enjoyed my basic tutorial to what coding is and some great resources for you to utilize. Next week, I look forward to seeing you guys for the spring challenge, learning how to color and draw things in. So I'm going to give you some art tutorials on how to draw some of those animals and then how to color them in with either pencil crayons or watercolors. I hope to see you next week. Otherwise, have a great week. Bye for now.